Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to compare two Bitcoin exchange wallets or portals. First one is Bisq and the second one is Hodl Hodl. We will go through some pros and cons and I'll tell you more about these two products. Then in the end we will try to find out which one is better, at least from my point of view. So let's start away with Bisq. Bisq is about as far from traditional brokerage account as you are likely to get. It's a decentralized exchange which brings its own set of benefits and disadvantages. While it's more secure, you will have to work harder to trade. Bisq is a desktop application that you need to install on your computer. You can download a mobile app to monitor any trade notifications, but you won't be able to trade on the go. You'll have to use your desktop. Plus, your computer has to be online for your offer to be live. It's worth noting that Bisq isn't a company, it's a piece of software. Unlike a centralized exchange, you never need to give Bisq your money. But you will need to use a wallet for your transactions. Without getting into the technical details, it makes sense to use a Bisq wallet for your Bisq trades. You don't have to provide any private information. Centralized exchanges may ask you to provide a photo ID or proof of residence and wait for approval. In contrast, you can start trading in less than 10 minutes with Bisq. There's a reason the large majority of crypto transactions go through centralized exchanges. They make it easy to trade both fiat currencies and cryptocurrencies. The big centralized exchange are usually more liquid, so it's easier to buy or sell the coin you want. They are also faster and often offer more customer support. As countries introduce more crypto regulations, decentralized exchanges can sidestep those rules. But they are also sidestep the protection that the regulations offers, so you are less able to tell if you are getting laundered currency or cash from criminal activities. The biggest difference or biggest downside of Bisq, I would say, in my opinion, is the app. It looks like 10 or 20 years old, but it's simple and some people may actually like it. I kinda like it as well, but I can see someone complaining a lot about the visuals. But it's very easy. On the left side, you just pick your currency. At the moment, I don't have my wallet connected for the sake of this video. On the left side, you can sell your Bitcoin if you have any. And also there you can basically buy it from sellers if you are interested in buying some fractions of Bitcoin. You can there's your offers by currency, offers by payment methods, and the trades. Also columns like buy Bitcoin, sell Bitcoin, your portfolio, funds, there's a support, settings, account, and also the AO. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to do. You can set it up in basically like 10 minutes and you can start trading. So what about Hodl Hodl or Hodl Hodl? It's a crypto exchange focusing on peer-to-peer trading of Bitcoin. The platform focuses on minimizing the involvement of middlemen in trades between buyers or borrowers and the sellers or lenders. It also prides itself in the anonymity that it offers to its users, not requiring any known your customer or anti-money laundering checks to be trading, as it is non-custodial platform that holds none of your funds. Given that the Hodl Hodl is a non-custodial, users do not have to deposit their funds onto the platform before participating in any trades, so their own third-party wallet is required. You don't need to download any app to trade, and the platform does not offer a mobile app. The Hodl Hodl platform has made its presence known by being featured on multiple podcast episodes with other creators, as well as maintaining their own Reddit subreddit, Twitter, and LinkedIn accounts. So they are actually kind of similar. The only difference is that you have to run it on your PC and you don't have to install it. They doesn't provide any app, so you can't really check easily your stocks. And as you can see, it's pretty popular. Even for the name Hodl Hodl is kinda weird. Both of them are very nice. I would really go with the Bisq in this case. I really like what they are doing, and the app is, yeah, it's somehow tragic, but it works perfectly. And I really like the option to just, you have to be at home at your PC to basically work on your cryptocurrency. So if you have any kind of questions, please leave them underneath this video. Leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one. Have a great day.